Okay, she's running rough. Got a check engine light. Let's see. Check engine light's on there. And it says it's a P0201 code. So let's go see what that is. So a P0201 says injector circuit open cylinder 1. So what that's telling me is that something is wrong with this injector right here. So it's either not firing or there's something electrical going on, and that's a risk you take when you change these things out. Let's check it out. Okay, so what I did was I used that stethoscope as you saw, and I put it on this number 1 injector, and I didn't hear any tapping, or it was real faint. The other one was very pronounced, so this tells me this injector number 1 is not firing. So we're going to, I guess, take my zip tie off and take a look at it. All right, folks, I've got an epic failure. So this GP Sorensen fuel injector number 1 here is completely dead. What I did was I used this power probe and applied 5 volts to it, and it does not click. The other ones click. You can actually take, I'm going to see if I can show you. So what I'm going to do, this is the old fuel injector, you're going to hear it click. And that's because I'm pressing this button and applying 5 volts. This does absolutely nothing. So this number 1 fuel injector is completely dead, which is a huge bummer. That means basically I got to take all this off again. Alright, so basically what I had to do is I unbolted the throttle cable assembly and I pulled the rail off so I could get to this one. Thank goodness it's this one. This is the easiest one, but either way I'm not happy to do that. And then I'm just going to pop this fuel injector out, go to AutoZone and swap. Alright, went back to AutoZone, they swapped it out. The bad one gave me this one. And then while I was there, I picked up this pigtail that goes on here. You know, I don't know if that thing's shorted out or not. It was looking in bad shape. So this is the part number of it. This is the new pigtail for the fuel injector. It's now dark. All right, so I got it all buttoned up. I got the new pigtail here and bolted everything back up, and now it works perfect. Well, you win some and you lose some. So out of the 6 injectors, like I warned in my other video, there's a potential of 1 being bad. And sure enough, there was 1 being bad. Thank goodness it was the number 1. So these GP Sorensen, it worked for maybe 50 miles and that was it. So I did change the connector on it also in case maybe that had something to do with it. I doubt it, but you never know. These were made in the USA or are made in the USA, so who knows. But anyway, so it's kind of worrisome. I'm about to go on a 4,000 mile trip, and you know, I guess I'll bring some extra injectors with me, so y'all have a great day.